Yo guys, it's LingoJet. Welcome to another video about different letters in French. And this video is the second video of this playlist, and in this playlist I'm gonna teach you how to express different letters and how to ask someone what's the letter like and everything else related to this stuff. Before we get started, make sure that you have clicked on our subscribe button and post notification. Let's go. Okay, let's get it started. Whenever you want to say it's, for example, 16 degrees Celsius, it's 33 degrees Celsius, it's 5 degrees Celsius, you should say il fait nombre degrés Celsius. Il fait nombre degrés Celsius. For example, il fait 33 degrés Celsius. It's 33 degrees Celsius. Il fait 32 degrés Celsius. It's 32 degrees Celsius. Il fait 16 degrés Celsius. It's 16 degrees Celsius. Il fait 5 degrés Celsius. It's 5 degrees Celsius. Or il fait 0 degrés Celsius. It's 0 degree Celsius. If you've never watched our video about cardinal numbers in French, you had better to watch that former and before this video, because you should just use numbers in this context. Alright? Great. So it was il fait number degrés Celsius. Great. Okay, tell me it's for example 11 degrees Celsius. Great. Il fait 11 degrés Celsius. That's it, great. Next one. What's the weather like in French is quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? What's the weather like? Quel means what or which in French. Quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? That's it, great. Next one. It's dry in French is c'est sec. C'est sec. C'est means this is. C'est sec. It's dry. Great. It's humid in French is c'est humide. C'est humide. Great. So, c'est sec is it's dry and c'est humide it's humid. That's it, great. It's overcast in French is c'est nuageux. C'est nuageux. C'est nuageux. C'est nuageux. It's overcast. That's it, great. So, c'est sec. It's dry. C'est humide. It's humid. C'est nuageux. It's overcast. Great, that's it. Next one. It's foggy in French is il y a du brouillard. Il y a du brouillard. Il y a de brouillard. Il y a de has several meanings such there is, there are, there's some, I have some, or we have some. I will teach this context in next video, so don't worry about that. Great. Il y a de brouillard. Il y a de brouillard means it's foggy. That's it. It's sunny in French is il y a du soleil. Soleil means sunny. Il y a du soleil. Il y a de soleil. Il y a du soleil means it's sunny. Great. Next one. It's windy in French is il y a de vent. Il y a de vent. Il y a de vent. Great. So, one more time. It's foggy in French is il y a de brouillard. Il y a de brouillard. It's sunny in French is il y a du soleil. And it's windy in French is il y a de vent. Il y a de vent. Great, that's it. I hope this video would be useful for you. Don't forget to practice all of these lessons after you watch them. And by the way, I just put 2 related videos on the screen. And if you have never watched them before, I strongly suggest you to watch them. Take care.